If you were thinking about putting your personal daily driver on Turo to make a few extra bucks, stop right now. That is a terrible idea. You will obsess over every scratch and completely lose your mind. But if you treat Turo not as a side hustle, but as a digital car dealership, you can build a massive, automated, cash-flowing fleet. Welcome to Passive Peak. Today, we're breaking down the exact blueprint to start a highly profitable Turo car-sharing fleet in 2026. I'm going to show you why buying luxury cars is a massive trap, the exact pricing math to make over $700 a month per car, and the secret automation system that lets you run this entire business from your smartphone without ever meeting a customer. Let's hit the gas. The biggest mistake beginners make on Turo is buying a flashy BMW, a Porsche, or a Tesla. Luxury cars depreciate like a rock, the insurance is insanely high, and one fender bender wipes out your entire profit margin. But if you want to build real wealth, you need to fall in love with boring cars. A $10,000 economy car will easily be booked out 25 days a month, giving you a significantly higher return on investment than a $60,000 luxury car that sits in a parking lot waiting for a weekend joyrider. Let's break down the math. You find a reliable used economy car for around $10,000 to $12,000. You put down a small down payment, and your monthly car note plus commercial fleet insurance comes out to around $350 a month. You list that car on Turo for a highly competitive $45 a day. That generates $1,125 in gross revenue. Subtract your $350 expense, and you're left with about $775 in pure cash flow every single month from one single car. 10 cars generating $750 a month is an automated $7,500 monthly income. Now, you might be thinking running 10 cars sounds like a nightmare. You don't have to. The secret to scaling a Turo fleet is 100% remote handoffs. You install an RFID lockbox on the window or use a smart remote unlock system. To automate the cleaning, you hire a local mobile detailer to wash the cars right where they're parked between trips. You are not a car washer, and you are not a delivery driver. You are a fleet manager. Building a Turo fleet is one of the fastest ways to turn bank financing into a massive passive income stream. You let the cars completely pay for themselves while you pocket the spread. Are you ready to build your own digital dealership? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If this blueprint changed your perspective on car sharing, smash that like button and make sure to subscribe to Passive Peak for more high-profit, recession-proof business models. Keep hustling, and I will see you in the next video.